Friends, welcome to Dr. Ved channel. Dr. P.R. Patel here, Professor Veterinary Medicine. Here we start with very important metabolic disease of dairy cows and buffaloes, bovine ketosis. In bovine ketosis part 1, we will see the information on introduction and etiology. This is a very important metabolic disease next to parturient paresis. There are several synonyms of bovine ketosis. Few are mentioned here. It is popularly known as acetonemia, presence of acetone bodies in the blood. Ketonemia, presence of ketone bodies in blood. An important feature here is hypoglycemia, decreased glucose level of the blood. Here I have mentioned few synonyms, and while describing the disease in other slides, wherever there is any synonym, we'll see. But these are the important synonyms: acetonemia, ketonemia, hypoglycemia. Hypoglycemia is a important biochemical feature. In this presentation, we'll try to define and give the introduction on bovine ketosis. Friends, remember, this is very common metabolic disorder of high yielding dairy cattle. When the milk production is more, those cows are more prone to the ketosis and occur especially in early lactation. You know that after patuation, slowly the milk production increases up to the peak level at the 2.5 months after patuation. So this is the danger period or susceptible period for the ketosis. Here there is either relative or absolute lack of carbohydrate in liver cells. So here the carbohydrate is an important moiety for the production of disease. Very high producing cows consume large quantity of feed because they want to convert this feed into the nutrients, and these nutrients are drained in the milk. So in this high producing cow, there is very high metabolic turnover, and to achieve this very high metabolic turnover, if sufficient carbohydrate is not given to the cows, these cows become more prone to the ketosis. So high yielders are more prone for the ketosis. Friends, remember, ketosis is a disease of negative energy balance. Again, it is a disease of negative energy balance. Negative means decreased energy. Here we tell in terms of glucose or carbohydrate. So in the balance of glucose, energy or carbohydrate decreases, there are chances of ketosis. We continue here introductory parts. When the cow is in a severe negative energy balance, means severe negative level of glucose or decreased level of glucose or carbohydrate. And when the cows are unable to efficiently utilize mobilized body fat for the energy, because when there is less glucose, the cow has to utilize body fat for the energy. And this leads to important feature beta oxidation of the fat. Beta oxidation of the fat. And this leads to production of ketone bodies and acidosis. Since this is introductory part, detail about these things we will see later on. Continuation of the introduction. When the clinical ketosis occur, it is characterized by partial anorexia, important symptom. There is depression and sometimes excitation also due to signs of nervous dysfunction or nervous symptoms. The other symptoms are pica. Pica means eating substances other than normal food. There is abnormal licking of the objects by the animal in coordination of the movement, abnormal gait, excitation, frequent bellowing. These are the common symptoms. Detail about the symptoms we will see later on. Important biochemical feature is ketonemia, increased level of ketone in blood, hypoglycemia, decreased glucose level in blood, ketonuria, presence of ketone bodies in the urine, ketolexia, presence of ketone bodies in milk, and poor liver glycogen content. The main keto bodies are acetoacetic acid, beta hydroxybutyric acid, and their decarboxylation products, and they are acetone and isopropanol. These are the important biochemical features. Here we will see etiology. Etiology is a bit complicated. Many factors attribute for the production of ketone bodies. First, there is lack of nutritive food. Failure to provide sufficient glucose in the period of heavy demand of glucose and glycogen. Especially this heavy demand occurs when there is high milk production. There is drainage of lactose in the milk. Lactose is derived from the glucose. So high milk production requires more glucose. Important thing, negative energy balance that causes hypoglycemia. There is nutritional or metabolic derangement in high yielding cows in the early lactation that results into the ketosis. So, summary is if there is starvation, animal is not taking food or is not provided food, or animal is given undernutrition, especially carbohydrate, or if there is anorexia due to any other diseases, that leads to deficiency or decreased glucose level in the blood, and that leads to the ketosis. These are the main causes: starvation, due to any reason. Failure to provide carbohydrate is food, anorexia, or animal goes off feed due to any other disease that leads to ketosis. Ketosis, this is the main reason. We continue the etiology. We have seen the main thing is lack of nutritive food. But other factors are also attributable for the ketosis. But these etiologies are not important or major. Dysfunction of adrenal gland. Dysfunction occurs when there is stress, stress of parturition, stress of lactation, stress of late pregnancy, and stress of malnutrition. This leads to dysfunction of the adrenal gland. That also leads to the ketosis. Relative hypothyroidism also help in precipitation of the ketosis. Important thing here while silage feeding, silage is more ketogenic than hay because the silage contain high butyric acid and butyric acid is a ketogenic chemical. There is a role of insulin in diabetes ketoacids also. Insulin inhibits fat metabolism and this is helping in ketoacidosis. Lack of exercise, especially in cows, they are kept indoor in the farm. They are also more prone for the ketosis. These are the not main etiology. These are the some factors. Important factor is dysfunction of liver. Liver plays an important role. Either etiology is primary or secondary. This hypoglycemia results in mobilization of fat from the adipose tissue and its deposition into the liver. The role of liver we'll see later on. Important etiology is anorexia due to any other diseases during high production. Diseases causes starvation such as traumatic reticuloperitonitis, mastitis, metritis, abomasal displacement, animal goes off feed and there is heavy demand due to high milk production. This leads to negative energy balance and this anorexia is the important etiology for the ketosis. Other helping factor is abnormal ruminal conditions, other ruminal disorders also, and composition or health of ruminal microflora directly influences digestive processes and that also help in development of the ketosis. Deficiency of coenzyme A also precipitates the ketosis, but it is not very much important. Later on we will see in the biochemical process. Friends, ketosis is very important disease. Next to parturient it is important metabolic disorder also commonly occurring. So share this information to other our friends to promote the channel, subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for observing the video.